New tab, Google Chrome window.
Hi, I am going to demonstrate how to sign up in Prishni. First, open the browser and enter prishni.in.
P R I S H N I Prishni dot I N.
Press enter.
In Prishni dot selected. Prishni. This site uses cookies to deliver our services, and by using our site, you acknowledge.
Okay, it will come the Prishni site. First, you should accept the cookies. So I will explain the shortcut for the accepting the cookies. In the NVDA, you can use these cookies in browse mode. I will explain the shortcuts. B for button, E for edit field, and F for form field, H for header, and K for link, and X for checkbox, and R for radio button. So see all the shortcuts are works only the browse mode. I changed it to browse mode. So this is the browse mode. I am pressing button B.
Accept all cookies button.
Okay, accept all cookie button. Press enter.
Prishni document. Main landmark heading level 1. Prishni is a collaborative ethic.
Okay, then press Control Home.
Banner landmark same page links.
You can navigate using tab key or up arrow or down arrow. I'm pressing down arrow.
Navigation landmark same page link graphic Prishni logo redirect to home page.
Okay, until you hear join.
List with 6 items same page link webinars. Link courses. Menu button collapsed submenu media. Menu button collapsed submenu connect. Link assistive products. Out of list with 2 items link sign in. Link join.
Join. Press enter.
Prishni sign up. Link graphic Prishni logo redirect to home page. Heading level 2.
Okay, you are in sign up page. Press Control Home.
Link graphic Prishni logo redirect to home page.
And press E.
Email address edit.
Okay, email address. You can press email address.
Space selected.
Okay, enter email address.
No next graphic. Email address edit as autocomplete learner@yahoo.com.
Okay.
L learner@yahoo.com unselected.
Okay, press enter your email ID.
G invalid entry U R U L E A R N E R. Gurlearner at YOPMAIL yahoo.com.
Okay, you can verify your email ID.
G Gurlearner@yahoo.com selected.
Okay, press tab.
Password edit protected selected 15 bullet has autocomplete.
Okay, enter your password.
Bullet 15 bullet selected. Bullet unselected. Star. 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 Star.
Okay, press tab.
Confirm password edit protected blank has autocomplete. Blank.
Okay, you can enter your confirm password.
Star. 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 Star.
Okay, press tab.
Roll combo box select roll collapse required invalid. 3.
Okay, you can press Alt plus down arrow to expand the combo box.
Expanded list select roll 1 of 4.
Okay, press down arrow.
Expert not selected 2 of 4.
Good.
Learner not selected 3 of 4.
Okay, press the enter learner.
Roll combo box learner collapse required.
Okay, press tab.
First name edit required blank.
First name, enter first name.
U R U Guru last name edit required blank.
Enter last name.
R A M.
Okay, then press tab.
RAM alert success phone number edit blank.
Okay, enter your phone number.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0.
Okay, please enter your phone number. Okay, then press tab.
1,234,567,890. Country combo box select country collapse required in.
Okay, country combo box. If you know the country, you can select the enter the first letter. So I'm pressing the enter the first letter.
I India.
India. Then press tab.
I state combo box select state collapse required invalid entry.
Okay, and just enter for this is also combo box. You can expand the alt plus down arrow and you select the state. Otherwise, you can select enter the first letter of the state. I'm pressing G.
Goa.
Goa and press tab.
G city combo box select city collapse required invalid entry.
Okay, I'm pressing
A Aldona.
Okay, then press tab.
A widget containing a Cloudflare security challenge frame. Check in your browser document Cloudflare link.
Okay, captcha is verified. Then press tab.
Privacy link.
Okay.
Terms link.
Okay.
Sign up button.
Sign up button. Press sign up button. Press enter.
Prishni sign in link graphic. Prishni logo redirect to home page. Log into your Prishni account. Please verify your
Okay.
account by clicking on the link sent via email. And then sign in. Email address edit required.
Okay.
Password edit protected required. With
Okay. So account is created successfully. You will receive your activation link. You can open your email and activate
alert success. Cloudflare privacy bullet term.
activate your account.
Inbox document. Link domains.
Okay. I'm going to yahoomail.com. I'm pressing button B.
Main landmark button. What is email alias? Button copy to clipboard. Button. Button unavailable. Button. Button unavailable. Button unavailable. Button. No next button. No next button.
Pressing
Banner landmark visited link hotmail.com.
control home.
Main landmark button. What is email alias?
Okay. If the email is not received, press F5.
Inbox. Main
Receive.
landmark button. Button.
Not receive the email in inbox. You can check with the spam folder. Okay. I'm pressing now button.
Button copy to clipboard. Button. Button unavailable. Button. Button unavailable. Button unavailable. Button. Frame 2321 admin at Prishni. Activate your Prishni account button.
Okay, I'm getting the mail. I'm pressing. After that, this word you can press down arrow.
Button activate your Prishni account. Blank. Out of frame banner landmark button deliverability. Button reply. Button forward. Button print. Button delete. Button activate your Prishni account. Less admin at Prishni.engrader.
Okay.
Saturday, August 23rd, 2025, 11. Main landmark igurlearner@yahoo.com. Blank. Thank you for creating an account with Prishni. Please use this link below to confirm your email.
Okay.
Activation link : https/
Okay, you can click the link or you can copy this link and paste it in the new tab. Okay.
link : https INK:h https://prishni.in/activate/nzi2/cv044c86d3bc59370. Copy to clipboard. https://
Okay, press tab, new tab,
new tab, Google.
Control plus T. You press Control plus T, open the new tab and paste the URL.
HT.
Okay, press the enter.
Prishni.in/activate/nzi2/cv044c86d3bc59.
So your account will be activated. So your account is created successfully and activated. Thank you.
Screen sharing meeting controls window. 2025-08-20. Screen sharing meeting controls window. Screen sharing meeting controls window. Screen sharing meeting controls window. End meeting or leave meeting window. End meeting for all button.